Are expensive supplements essential for progress?
No, expensive supplements are not essential to see results in muscle growth or fitness. Nutrition, regular exercise, and adequate rest are the foundation for achieving your goals. Many people make significant progress without any supplements at all. Focusing on whole foods and consistent training is often more effective and budget-friendly than spending money on high-priced products.
Do supplements help with muscle growth?
Some supplements, such as protein powders, creatine, and caffeine, can support muscle growth and workout performance. However, they're not magic solutions. Their benefits are usually modest when compared to proper diet and training. Most nutrients can be obtained from food, making supplements optional rather than necessary for most people.
Are expensive supplements better than affordable ones?
Price does not always equal quality. Many affordable supplements contain the same active ingredients as pricier versions. It's important to check for third-party testing and reputable brands instead of focusing on cost alone. Marketing hype does not guarantee better results. Effective ingredients come in all price ranges.
Should beginners use supplements?
For most beginners, supplements are not needed at the start. Building habits around exercise, nutrition, and sleep usually leads to noticeable results without extras. Once progress plateaus or if specific needs arise, some may consider adding basic supplements. It's best to consult a health or fitness professional before starting anything new.
What's the bottom line on supplements and results?
Supplements can be helpful for some people, but they're not required to see progress in muscle growth or fitness. Investing in healthy food, effective workouts, and recovery is the most reliable path. Before spending money on supplements, especially expensive ones, focus first on mastering the fundamentals for lasting results.